Um, yeah, I wanted to share some thoughts. The message in this is about the opening our arms and opening our hearts to ourselves and to everything as it is. So the story part of this is I started out as a baby, and the up until you're about 2 and 3, and you're in awe of life, and it's an adventure, and there's this authentic energy about us when we're babies, and there's this spontaneity and curiosity and this love and acceptance and non-judgmental, and you're not criticizing. And then, of course, over time I became socialized and conditioned and programmed, and all of that authenticity, for me anyway, due to sort of a lot of negative conditioning, I built this wall around me, and I wasn't able to anymore open up my arms to myself or the world or anybody. It was very protective. I was very protective over this separate self that concretized more over the years. And then when awakening started to happen, these constructs and beliefs and the negative programming and conditioning all started to dismantle and fall away, as it does if you've had a genuine glimpse of truth. You can't unsee these things. You can't unsee it. And the light of consciousness will expose and reveal this shadow or hidden parts of ourselves that cause us suffering. And we come to see it for what it is, which is not our true nature. It's not who we are. And so that which we truly are does have open arms and is not afraid and is fearless and meets life as it is, which is just like you do when you're a baby. You meet life as it is, and so there's this responding. There's no more reacting. You're not pushing. You're not manipulating or controlling, and there's this freedom. There's this energy, much like when you're a baby. There's this energy this energy that just flows and moves you through life, uninhibited. It doesn't mean that there aren't problems or obstacles, but you no longer perceive these as problems. They are just something that presents itself. And with this light that exposes more and more these the conditioning and programming, there's more love. There's this love that grows and grows, and the love, another way to say that, is acceptance of another just as they are, because there isn't any separation. There's no separation. So this is really a message and an invitation to look at how open your arms are, and maybe if you can open them a bit more to yourself, and to see that that is an expression of your true nature, that which you really are, which is love.